Verizon Fios Remote TV. In today's video, we are going to learn how to program Verizon Fios Remote to TV. So let's get started. We have two methods. The method number one is automatic setup. For this, turn on your TV and the Fios TV box. Now press the home button on your remote and navigate to settings. Select voice control here and choose Fios TV voice remote as your option. Select program voice remote and follow the on-screen prompts to let the system automatically detect your TV brand and complete the setup. Now for method number two, manual code entry. Turn on your TV and press and hold the OK and TV buttons on the Fios remote for about 6 seconds until the TV button lights up. Enter the 3-digit code for your TV brand. You can find codes in your remote user manual or online. Point the remote at the TV and press the OK button to store the code. After that, test the remote's power and volume function. If they do not work, repeat the process with a different code. And that's all. That's how you will be able to program your Verizon Fios remote to TV. Thanks for watching.